everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out Bigo Live app on mobile. So let's get started. First, open your Bigo Live application. Then tap on Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on Settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find Logout option. Tap on Logout and then tap on Sure. And this is how you can log out of Bigo Live app. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.